Okay, so now it's a turn of my third student, Nishant Kumar. He will read and he will do this initiation practice and show you how he reads and how to get command over these sounds like B, P, D, T, K, A, all these consonant sounds. Okay, so Nishant, over to you.
Okay, sir. Let me start, sir.
Hmm.
Biscuits, a box of mixed biscuits and a biscuit mixture. My damn heart, a lamb tam crane, my damn head, a crane that is glam. O Zenda Zen dot, my damn slam tam crane, leave and come again. Whether the weather be cold or whether the weather be hot, whatever the weather we will weather the weather, whether we like it or not. To form, sit in solemn silence in a dull dark, talk in a pestilential prison with a lifelong log, awaiting the sensation of a short sharp shock from a cheap and chippy chopper on a big black block. A minute or two. What a to do to die today at a minute or two. A thing distinctly hard to say but harder still to do. For they will beat a tattoo at a 20 or two, a rat tat tattoo, and the dragon will come when he hears the drum and at a minute or two today, at a minute or two, unvoiced and voiced consonants. Pataka pa, pataka po, pataka pi, pataka pe. Voiced. Badaga ba, badaga ba, badaga bo, badaga bi, badaga be. Grip Top Shock. Given me the gift of Grip Top Shock, a clip wrap slip set tip top shock. Not your spin slip slapstick slipshod stock, but a plastic grip top shock. None of your fantastic slack swept slope from a slab desk flash case Haber desk soap. Not a neck lock, knock Nick Boker shock with a mock short blob model trick ticker top clock. Not a super shit sheer shaker rucksack shock. Not a sport speckle frog frickle tip sack shock. Of a hodgepodge most blotched scotched bossed block. Nothing slipshod drip drop flip flop or glip globe team tipped me to a tip top grip top shock. Radio announcer Penelope Colmondley raised her azure eyes from the crab scenario. She meandered among the congeries of her memories. There was a kinetic Algernon, a choleric artificer of icons and triptychs, who wanted to write a trilogy for years. She had stuffed, she had stifled her disabilities with doer moods. His asthma forced him to shout like zip hires among the tamarack. Radio announcer test 2. One hand two ducks, three squawking geese, four limerick oysters, five carpellet porpoises, six pair of duns, alberzo tweezers, 7,000 McDonald's in full battle. Arrest eight brass monkeys from the ancient scared crypts of Egypt. Nine apathetic, sympathetic, diabetic old men on roller skates with a marked propensity towards procrastination and sloth. 10 lyrical, spherical, diabolical denizens of the deep who talk about the horns of the cow all the same time. Around the rug rocks and the ragged rascal ran. Big black buck bit a big black bear and the big black bear black blood. Can I can I cook a proper cup of coffee in a copper coffee pot? Don't doubt the doorbell, but differ with the doorknob. Eight grey geese in a green field grazing. Fine white Windsor with well. The free thugs set free thugs free. Grab the groundhog from the glazed grass. Grey grey geese in a green field grazing. High roller, low roller, lower roller. How can a clam in a clean cream can? Inexplicably mimicking him tip cupping. I wish to wash my iris wrist was jingle jangle jangle joker needs lids for nasty cold nights. Little Lucky Luke likes legs. Lucky little Luke likes licking legs. Monkey make Monopoly monotonous. The next nest will not necessarily to be next to nothing. Octopi occupy a porcupine's mind. Only royal oil boils. Peter Prangle the prickly pear picker pickle three perfectly prickly pears. A proper copper coffee pot. Twins Catherine backs the cat and cat sweetly cries. Rubber baby buggy bumpers. Roberta ran rings around the Roman ruins. Some sunshine. Do you sunshine? Six sticks shift stuck shut. Three thick crystal sticks. The 33 thieves thought that they thrill the throne throughout festing. Unique New York, unique New York. 20 grand tall, very grand burst for large is medium small. Will a will a wetsuit is round and wet and rough and wide and ready to go on a prairie ride. Wine went to watch walrus xylophones exist or so existentialist insist. Yoda met yet on the plains of Strangely. Zoologist, I logically love to read astrology. Pataka pa, pataka po, pataka pi, pataka pe. Badaga ba, badaga ba, badaga b, badaga be. Betty bought a bit of butter, but she found the butter bitter, so Betty bought a bit of better butter to make the bitter butter better. Blue blood, black blood, black bug, blue bug. Bill had a billboard. Bill also had a board bill. The board bill. So Bill sold his billboard and paid his board bill. Then the board bill no longer board bill, but who he had no board bill. Neither did have his billboard. 2 dozens double damask dinner napkins. 2 dozens double damask dinner napkins. Do drop in at the developing. Do drop in at the dev drop in. Now much dev could be dev drop if a dev drop did drop dev. Down the deep damn dark dan down the deep damn dark dan. Furious friends for the phone. Four furious friends for the phone. Five flippant Frenchmen fly from France for fashion. Five flippant Frenchmen fly from France and fashion. How was Harry Heston for uh, Henley from the hunt? How was Harry Heston so Henley from the hunt in Hertford and Hampshire? Hurricanes hardly ever happen in Hertford and Hampshire. Hurricanes hardly ever happen. James just jostled Zin gently. James just jostled Zin gently. Jack the Zelbert. Jack packed exit. Jack the Zelbert. Jack packed exit. Kiss her quickset. Kiss her quickset. My cutlery cuts neatly and cleanly. My cutlery cuts neatly and cleanly. Literally. Larry sent the letter a letter. Larry sent the letter a letter. Lucy lingered looking longingly for her lost lap dog. Lucky lingered looking longingly for her lost lap dog. You know New York, you need New York, you need unique New York. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. If Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers, where is the pack of pickled peppers that Peter Piper picked? Peels, please, pretty Penelope, Peels, please, pretty Penelope, prettiest Penelope, spring, quicker quickest kiss. The quarrelsome queen quaffle quickly and quickly. The quarrelsome queen quaffle quickly and quickly. Round the rugged rock the ragged rascal ran. Round the rugged rock the ragged rascal ran. Reading and writing and rewarding. Reading and writing and are richly rewarding. Six thick crystal sticks. Six thick crystal sticks. Uh, Theopolis Tistler, the Tistler cipher in a shifting is sieve and shifted Tistlers thrust 3,000 Tistlers through the thick of his thumb. The, the Swedes threw sold Shara seven silverfish slices. Sister Sushi sat on the seashore, swing sadly for sailors. Moses suppose his roses are roses, but Moses suppose uh, erroneously for nobody's roses are processes of roses, as Moses supposes his roses to be pronounced the words choices to rhyme with Moses. Tan tam tadpoles tugged tightly in a thin tall tin. Tan tam tadpoles tugged tightly in thin tall tin. Two toads totally tired trying to trot Tewksbury. Two toads totally tired trying to trot at Tewksbury. Vincent vowed vengeance vehemently. Vincent vowed vengeance very vehemently. Vera valued the valley violets. Vera valued the valley violets. Red, red leather, red lorry, yellow lorry. This comes from the Gilbert and Sullivan Satiety Light opera The Pirates of Penzance. It's from the Major General's better song and is guaranteed to make you work as its tongue's equivalent or uh, tri- trithlon. The lyrics include many difficult combinations impossible to get right unless you articulate clearly. Have fun. Uh, I am the very modern Major General. I am the very pattern of a modern Major General. I have information, vegetable, animal, and mineral. I know the kings of England, and I quote the pirates historical from Marathon to Waterloo in order categorical. I am very well acquainted to with matters mathematical. I understand equations both simple and quadratical. About the binomial theorems, I am teeming with a lots news with many cheerful facts about the square of the hypotenuse. I am very good at integral and differential calculus. I know the scientific names of beings, uh, animal, animalculus, in short, in matters vegetable, animal, and minerals. I am the very model of modern Major General. Thank you.
Okay, Nishant, thank you very much for reading this. You have done a good work here, well, better than the earlier people, but not extremely good.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, here